welcome back to another video. If you're new, welcome. My name is Kim, and if you're not, welcome back. So today's video, which I haven't done in a long time, is a what I eat in a day. You guys already know I am 16 weeks pregnant. I'll be 17 weeks pregnant this Wednesday, but I'm gonna show you guys realistically what I eat in a day. Before I got pregnant, I did keto, low carb. I lost 80 pounds from doing that within less than a year, but since I'm pregnant, I'm kind of having more of like a well-balanced nutrition, so adding in my carbs, my protein, my fats, veggies, fruits, and all of that. So I just wanted to show you guys realistically what I eat in a day. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm not losing weight right now, obviously. I'm actually gaining weight, and you guys can probably see it in my face because I do, and I don't have my eyelash extensions on, so if I look bare or naked to you guys, that is why. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I'm just boiling eggs right now because I want to have some eggs, boiled eggs for breakfast, and then I'm gonna use this for my lunch this afternoon. So I don't have any breakfast meat or breakfast protein this morning, but I do have pastrami, and yes, it is lunch meat, so I just have to put it over the stove top until it cooks and just kills all of the bad bacteria. So yeah, if you're wondering if you can have lunch meat, you can, just make sure you cook it. So I'll just do one at a time since this pan is kind of small. Okay guys, this is my breakfast. I cannot find my tripod, which is why I couldn't really show you guys from the top like I usually do, but I have some pastrami here, thin slice. I have a small orange, and I have 2 boiled eggs, topped it with salt and pepper, and then I always try to have a yogurt every day too. So I know I probably could find another yogurt or a different yogurt that has less sugar, because this is filled with sugar. Oh, there's no nutrition facts. This is what I'm having for breakfast today, and this is typically what I try to have every day. I always try to have a fruit, yogurt, protein, or eggs, and then a breakfast meat, which is more protein. So this is it. Okay guys, I'm taking a lunch break. It's about 2 o'clock, and I am gonna make a huge salad. For some reason, that breakfast is just making me hungry. Like, not that it's making me hungry, but it didn't keep me full for a long time, which is so weird because usually when I eat a lot, I just stay full. So I'm not sure why today I'm just like super hungry. Anyways, I'm gonna make a huge salmon salad. Guys, I still cannot find my tripod, so I'm sorry that it's at this angle, but I have a huge bowl of salad here. This is just romaine lettuce. So I made this salmon in the air fryer 2 days ago, and I need to eat it because it's gonna go bad if I don't. So I have 2 large pieces here, and I'm gonna use both. So I have lettuce, I have 1.5 fillets of salmon in here. I'm gonna add some of these mini cucumbers. I like to add the mini cucumbers for crunch, so I'm just gonna put that in there. I still enjoy eating these Parmesan crisps that I get from Sam's instead of croutons. Okay, so this is what the salad looks like. Again, there's 1.5 fillets of salmon. I try to eat salmon at least once or twice a week just because it's really good to eat while you're pregnant. Mini cucumbers, Parmesan crisp. I thought I had a, what's that called? Italian dressing. There was only 2 grams of net carbs in that one, but I cannot find it and I don't feel like digging. I am just gonna top it with a little bit of ranch. This isn't my favorite dressing or favorite ranch, but it's the only thing I have right now. So, all right guys, this is my salad. Ooh, I cannot wait to eat this. I'm starving. I'm like almost shaking. I don't know why that breakfast did not fill me up. Anyway, I'm going to enjoy this salad. Jamal wants wings for dinner. I'm not in the mood for wings, but I'm gonna go and pick that up for him since he's going to pick Micah up from his parents, and then I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna have for dinner. I'm not super hungry, and I've honestly been craving two things. It's so weird, random things. I've been craving sushi, and I've been craving green lip mussels. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, but we will all find out. Oh, I did snack on some of these pistachios. These don't have the shell on them, which I love because literally there's no work. You just grab some and you just pop them in your mouth. You don't have to worry about the shells. Jamal thinks I'm crazy because for some odd reason he thinks most of the flavor is in the shell or on the shells, but I disagree. Anyways, let's go get some dinner. Guys, I stopped by this Japanese hibachi place called Yukoso. That's like 10 minutes from me, and I picked up some sushi. So I'll show you guys what I get, or what I got when I get home. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up Jamal's food right now. So I almost ate this sushi without showing you guys what I got. So let me show you guys what I got. So I got 2 orders of crunchy shrimp tempura topped with eel sauce, and people get a lot of misconception about sushi and if you are able to eat it while you're pregnant. Yes, you can eat sushi while you're pregnant as long as it is not raw. So for me, even before I got pregnant, I never ate raw sushi. I heard it's amazing, but it's just not something that I like. So you can definitely have like California roll, avocado roll, crab roll, anything that's fully cooked, which is something like this, shrimp tempura. And then I like to make my dipping sauce super spicy. Whoops, with this wasabi. I love the feeling. It looks kind of ridiculous right now, but I love the feeling of the burning sensation because it just kind of goes up my nose and then it goes away after like 2 seconds. But yeah, this is my dinner tonight, guys. I think I'm done. I ate a full one that had 8 pieces, and I can't finish this one. I only had 2. This is what's left of my wasabi and soy sauce. But comment down below, leave me a comment if you guys like sushi, or maybe you've never even tried sushi. Let me know in the comments. Fell in love with the soy sauce and the wasabi, and I think that's why I just crave it, because I love the kick. I love that sensation, like I said before. Just because it goes away super quick. It doesn't burn your lips, it doesn't burn anything. It's just a quick whew, and then it just goes away, and I just love that. So anyways, I'm gonna clean up. I'm gonna take a shower before Jamal and Micah get home. They're still at Jamal's parents' house, so I had dinner without them. Guys, I totally forgot that I had brownie mix. It's not regular brownie mix though, it is keto brownie mix. I just got this from Perfect Keto, you guys. They're actually having a huge sale with the brownie mix and the pancake mix, which I should have made this morning, but I'll grab that to show you guys. So this is the pancake mix. I'm gonna probably try this tomorrow. These are both from Perfect Keto, and they're having a huge sale this week. You get 20% off your entire cart whenever you add doesn't have to be both. You can just get one, and it will automatically take 20% off of your cart. Again, you don't need a code, but I do have a code. I will list all the details down below in my description box if you guys want to check it out. But we're gonna go ahead and make this together, and I know it's gonna be so good. So the only thing you will need is 3 large eggs and either coconut oil or melted butter. I don't have coconut oil, so I'm gonna go ahead and use melted butter. I have the 3 eggs. There's only 2 grams of net carbs per serving. And yeah, guys, let's make this. Okay, I'm gonna try to make this whole process quick, but I wanted to show you guys real quick what I am gonna use. So this is the Keto brownie mix by Perfect Keto. Again, it calls for 3 large eggs and 3/4 cup of melted butter or coconut oil. I have my 3 eggs here, melted butter here, and I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of this monk fruit sweetener. This is a sugar replacement, so I'm just gonna add about a tablespoon. You don't have to do this, but I do like it a little sweet, so I'm gonna add that. So let's make this. So I'm gonna spray with avocado spray, and then we're gonna go ahead and just drop. That was super easy. The oven is already on 350, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in the oven. All right, guys, Jamal is home finally.
What's up, y'all? What's up, family? What's up, family?
So when I got your wings, she asked me what kind of cheese I wanted, and she said cheddar cheese or nacho cheese. So I just said nacho cheese.
That's fine. That's fine with me. My man, Bob, his name is Bob at work, told me about Big Shot Bob, so that's why I said, you know what, get some wings tonight.
Three Rivers, which I don't know what it was, but I'm sure there's some type of barbecue sauce.
Yeah, barbecue, honey mustard,
ooh,
and ranch, I think.
And ranch?
Yeah.
It's gonna be really thick. Oh, oh, it looks like it. It literally looks like they just topped it with barbecue sauce, honey mustard, and ranch. Ooh.
So I'm gonna try. This is the first try. This is not bad.
Not bad. I cannot even look at this. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. Not because it's Three Rivers, but because they're wings. All right, you guys, brownie is done. I put it in the oven for 35 minutes. Ooh, look at that, guys. Ooh, nice and hot. You know what, I'm gonna have 2 pieces. Okay, I took a shower, so I look different because I have a different shirt on. Washed my face and stuff, but look at this. Oh, it's focusing on my face. Let me see if I can. It's still hot, but we're gonna taste it together. Mmm. Oh my god, you guys have to try this.
Okay, I'll try.
Okay.
It's really good.
I'm gonna try.
Me too.
Oh my gosh, I just need like a glass of milk. I like the edge.
What is that?
Mmm.
There's some.
Mmm. So good. So here is the package. Again, I will link everything down below in my description box. You guys can check them out on Perfect Keto. You'll get 20% off, and you don't have to get the pancake and the brownie. You can just get one or the other, and you will get 20% off. So, they're so good. I already took a bite from. There's a fly running around because I let it in this morning when I was dropping Micah off. Sorry if you see it or hear it. It's really annoying.
I like like that bug.
What do you think? It's a
It ain't
keto.
bad, yeah. It ain't bad.
Yeah.
It's not bad. It tastes like a brownie.
Yeah, it does, and it smells like a brownie.
And it's not, it got like a little sweetness to it, but
Don't try now.
it's just the texture is a little different.
Yeah, the texture is not as like crisp as a regular brownie. It's more.
It's actually alright.
I feel like, excuse me, I feel like it's more like a cake.
I tried them.
Right.
How I made it at
It's like-
least. Try it again.
That's what y'all do.
Taste.
Why you try it?
I ain't gonna take no whole thing, but
It's good.
It's good?
you like it, Mike?
Good.
I like it.
It's approved. Alright guys, I'm ending my video here. It's about 9:30. I'm gonna probably have one more brownie and then we're gonna watch the new movie Luca that's on Disney Plus. Mike has been so excited to watch it, so we're finally gonna watch it tonight. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my what I eat in a day while pregnant, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something